each one of these views. I need to say that this is a top view, this is a side view, this is an end view, and then I need to tell the user what the scale of this drawing is. So I am going to change my layer to annotation, and I am going to go to my annotate tab, and again pick an annotative style of multi-line text, and I'm going to add some text. So right here, I'm going to say that this is a top view. I'm going to use capital letters. And then I'm going to say this is a side view. And to accept the text, I just click out to the outside. To make sure that this is lined up horizontally, I'm going to copy this text over. Double click inside of it and change this side to end and click outside. And now I need one more piece of information here. Use the copy command. And I'm going to tell my user that the scale is equal to, I spell scale right, 1 to 10. All right, we good? Now if I go to the layout space, all this stuff is showing you. If I zoom in, it all looks nice. Now, these annotated dimensions are pretty cool. If I change my presentation scale to something else, watch what happens to the text. Well, it should have changed. Oh, I didn't have this button. Okay. Yeah, there it goes. So if you pay close attention, you'll see these annotative text styles change size when I change the presentation scale. So they're kind of live a little bit. So if over here, if I decided to change my scale of this presentation to 1 to 8 and moved it over a little bit, so it's centered in this view, and then double click outside. Now I could go over here and change my presentation scale to 1 to 8. But I would also need to update what I tell my user and make sure that this says 1 to 8. This is a finished product. This is a finished project. What you need to email to me are the 2 files that are associated here. So on the desktop, my desktop. One is the one where I've done all my drawing. That's the example P1. The other is the title block file. The only difference between this title block file and the one that lives on Moodle is the text that's in it. There are no drawing elements inside of it. It's just the frame and the text. That's it. And I show the contents of that file in the file where I did all my drawing. So those 2 files that I have worked on, and push a button somewhere in here that says share this file. I don't even know how you do it. Yeah, right here. Don't push this button. Do not push this button. What it will do is create some link that lives on the Autodesk website, and I'll get a link from you that requires me to view your file in a web viewer. Do not do that. Just send me the files as attachments to an email. If you've never sent anybody an email with attachments to it, just Google it. How do I send email attachments? Right? You're going to do this all the time in your working home. That's it. Any questions?